Alright, so you can see at some point somebody added a chimney liner. They probably weren't able to get it to drop down all the way, so I'll show you what it actually ended up doing inside the building. So what was happening with the boiler, that rollout switch was tripping. That rollout switch only trips if the exhaust gas, rather than going up out the flue, instead comes around like this. It'll heat up the shroud, and then that trips to prevent everyone in the building from being killed from carbon monoxide. We took apart the exhaust going this way, looking for any obstructions. And I'll show you what we found up in here. So I actually pulled out, all this stuff was just dropped in here, which is not really a problem. You can see there's another liner there, and this is also encased in brick. But obviously, right back there, that is currently the entire vent. That tiny little space, because when they sleeved the chimney, the liner that they dropped down, maybe it didn't settle all the way initially, and then eventually it did settle all the way, and it dropped down and blocked off the exhaust. So bad situation. But we're going to just cut away some of that exhaust. I think I can get in there with this little M12 Sawzall and cut it. Otherwise, somehow we're gonna have to get that opened up. Can't really think of any other way to fix this. Progress. Not the prettiest thing, but how else are you going to get to that? Alright, so it's not very pretty, but that's not an easy spot to make pretty do, because I can hardly reach my arm back into there, and there's not really any space to do anything, but we've cut it and removed all the material that we could. We're going to look, see if we can see any daylight up in there. So I plugged the switch back in, the automatic damper opened. That was the burner lighting. Probably see the heat. And we got it sealed all around where it goes out the chimney. Now that piece of pipe that degraded between here and where the liner goes out, I'm pretty sure that piece of pipe was only there when they poured the concrete, when they were actually building the chimney, and it was just shedding pieces. So it's still technically all within the chimney. I don't think we need to have a piece of pipe inside the chimney for that stretch going over to where the piece actually goes up and out. So we didn't add a piece back in there. But this is fully sealed here, and then it's going straight out the chimney. So I don't think it's gonna be a problem, and should be good to go with that high temperature silicone on there. And that pile of dirt, this all came out of the chimney. I pulled probably like 2 or 3 full ice cream pails of debris out that were actually blocking it. So it should work good now. So it's been running for 10 minutes or so. The exhaust vent is hot going out, but if you feel on the shroud, this is still like completely cold. It's actually very cold, even all the way up to like right here. So that's how we know it's pulling basement air up, and all the exhaust is definitely going out. We don't have anything rolling back. So that's going to conclude this little exhausting adventure.